Greetings, everyone. This is Pastor Brown. Listen, I want to take a moment to invite young adults, particularly if you're in between the ages of 17 to 35. I want you to meet me tonight at the Kingdom Center. That's 416 Roswell Street, at our Kingdom Center campus, our building that will be in our Elevate Bible study. This is going to be a wonderful study that we continued with our young adults around the role of the Holy Spirit in the space of struggles. Everybody has them. You're not exempt from struggles. You're not immune to struggles. They're going to happen. Subtle struggles, severe struggles, struggles of faith, struggles of confidence, struggles of inadequacy. We all deal with them. In Romans chapter 7, Paul had a struggle of faith. And matter of fact, it got so bad that he says in the 24th verse, "O wretched man that I am, who shall deliver me from my struggles?" I want to talk about struggles that's going to produce suffering, and how those struggles that produce suffering and how you suffer in your struggles will ultimately help you to solidify your salvation. I know you don't see it now, but we're going to have a real, raw, and relevant conversation around the Holy Spirit assisting us in our struggles tonight at 7:15. You don't have to be a member of our church. You can be a college student. You can be a young adult, newly married. Maybe you need to have this conversation on how do you settle the struggles of relationships. You can be single. You can be matriculating through life, but you're in that place where you're just saying, "I'm struggling." The struggle that plays itself out in finances and plays itself out in friendships. It plays itself out in relationships. It plays itself out in its faith. I'm going to really knock that out the park tonight, that we're going to have to understand that you have to end the struggle of faith so that you will stop the suffering that comes from that struggle so that you can really live victorious and have a free opportunity to serve God and to maximize all that He has called you to so that you live out your powerful purpose. So tonight at 7:15 at 416 Roswell Street, that's our Kingdom Center right there on our campus of Greater Community. We'd love to have you as we just engage in a time of fellowship, a time of food, and a time of real discussion around the role of the Holy Spirit in the space of struggles. I'll see you tonight right there as we continue to bring kingdom to community.